Hi guys, today I am going to unbox and review one premium but affordable laptop, InBook X1 Pro from the brand Infinix. With the Infinix X1 laptop series, Infinix has tried to set up a new standard in the affordable laptop market. Considering the price point and the specs on offer, the laptop comes across as excellent value for money. This InBook X1 series have three performance variants powered by Core i3, Core i5 and Core i7. This is the top variant i7 with Aurora green color. Backside of the box pack, some important specification has been written. Generic name laptop XL12, CPU i7 1065G7, MRP 74,999, but I have got this product only at 51,000 around from Flipkart. Now let's open the box pack to reveal the killer laptop. Packaging seal I have already cut before making this video. After removing the protective layer, you will be able to see three items inside the box pack: data cable, adapter and laptop. This is the Type-C to Type-C data cable of sufficient length. Second one is the 65-watt multi-utility Type-C fast charger. Let's have a closer look on the adapter. From the configuration of the output power, it can be easily understood that this adapter can be used for charging smartphone also. Type-C port on the AC adapter instead of USB port. Here are some documentation containing user manual and warranty card. Now come to the laptop with 14-inch FHD display, peak brightness 300 nits and with 100% sRGB color gamut. Infinix branding on the top of the laptop, fully made up of aircraft grade aluminium metal with dual tone color finish. In-hand feel of the laptop is really premium, looks great, and the laptop is sturdy enough as it is made up of aircraft grade aluminium, so no plastic, full metal body. Let us measure the mass of the laptop. This is exactly 1.48 kg, which the company claims. That is lightweight. Backside of the laptop, you can see one linear rubber padding which is slightly elevated with respect to the two other small discrete rubber padding which is provided only for better gripping and efficient ventilation. You can also see here two array linear air vents for efficient ventilation and cooling. Two sides of the laptop contains two down-firing speaker which is enabled with DTS processing. Infinix sticker with specification and closer look of the air vents. Two premium hinges you can see here by which you can tilt the laptop up to 180 degree. 180 degree viewing angle will ease your work. This is the tiny notification LED for charging. Changes from red to green when the battery is full charged. Power connector supports 65-watt fast charging. HDMI port supports high definition digital video connections. USB 3.0 port, connect any USB devices into this port. Type-C port, connect any USB devices which has the Type-C input. This port also can be used as a charging port. Again one Type-C port, connect any USB devices into this port such as USB flash drive, keyboard and mouse. Camera switch, turn the camera on or off by this switch. So this is a privacy shutter for camera and this is really unique. Now laptop is charging and indicated by red notification LED. It changes to green when it full charged. Right side contain Kenningston lock, anti-theft key lock hole, USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, 3.5mm headphone jack and card reader. Supports for microSD memory cards. Look the sleek design, only 16.3mm in thickness. Extra air vents has been provided sidewise for better and efficient cooling. Now let's open it. The laptop can be opened by single hand only. Two-stage backlit keyboard, large trackpad, two extra DTS enabled speaker in front makes the laptop premium from all sides. Now come to the backlit keyboard. Two-stage backlit keyboard can be activated by pressing both function and spacebar together. This is the first mode. Press again. Second mode. Press third time, keyboard light will be switched off. Watch backlit keyboard in dark room. Light is sufficient and eye-soothing. Night work can be done easily and conveniently by this backlit keyboard. DTS logo. This is the DTS enabled front firing speaker with linear speaker grill. See the closer look. It contains two speakers so that in total there are 4 DTS enabled speakers in the laptop. Operating system Windows 11 out of the box. Processor Intel Core i7 10th generation. This is the trackpad, right mouse button, left mouse button. This is your fingerprint sensor. and this is the laptop power button with blue notification LED. On the upper thin bezel, you can see two microphones, one 720p HD cam and one notification light. Hi guys, I am shooting this video through Infinix InBook X1 laptop front camera, and that is 720p resolution. I have seen that it is capturing not satisfactory video under low light. So that's why I have set one light in front of me, and now it is just capturing just satisfactory video. You will judge that how much noise it is capturing from the surrounding. And that was the camera sample. Thank you. Press and hold the power button for few seconds to switch it on. Boot up time is very short, just 9 seconds, due to its PCIe 3.0 NVMe high-speed SSD. Right-clicking on the My PC icon, you will get the properties of the laptop, like device name InBook X1 Pro, processor Intel Core i7, speed is 1.30 GHz to 1.50 GHz, installed RAM 16 GB, device ID, product ID, and of course the Windows specification, that is the Windows 11 out of the box. Lifetime MS Office has not been provided with this laptop. Only 1 month of free version has been provided. I have played Call of Duty 4 in this laptop and it is running smoothly. Let's watch it. Overall, the product is really premium, powerful, sturdy but lightweight. You can definitely go with this product, but people really fears about the new brand and after sale services. But don't worry, company offers 1 year on-site warranty, means home services for each and every relevant issues. But company should also offer extended warranty like other good laptop brands offer with additional price.